Hello all, welcome back to Excel skill. Here I have the two data set, that is the data set of the 1 and the data set of 2. Here I have the list of the items and the units sold respectively. Now I want to merge the two tables in one. So to do this we have a shortcut called Alt A N. You will get the dialog box. So you need to delete the previous references. Then now you need to add the table 1 references and table 2 references, and you will get the table into 1. So now we are going to add. Select the table 1 and click on add. Then select the table 2 and click on add. And you need to tick on to the top row and the left column. You need to tick the top row and the left column. Here default it has been picked up, but ensure that these two are been ticked. Now give OK. You can see both the numbers are appeared in one table. I'm just making it big so that it will be visible. Okay. Like this you can merge n number of the tables into one table and get the data accurately. And this will be useful in your analysis and reporting purpose. Instead of getting into the each table and click on how many units were sold and how many items were there, with the usage of this shortcut you can learn the data into more visible, and you can use this for your day-to-day purpose. Thank you for watching this video. I will come up with many more such videos, and do like, share and comment. Your valuable feedback will be helpful to me to come up with more videos and make your day-to-day operations hassle-free. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe.